So we came to his accommodation that he is currently living in. So this is his neighborhood. Just go. Let's go inside, guys. ഇതിന് എത്രയാണ് നിങ്ങൾ പെർ വീക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നത് റെന്റ്? 70 plus 50 bills. Okay, that's good.
340.
So this is kitchen. So the bachelor's kitchen, guys. It's supposed to be like this. So room, right? Ready? Let's go. Yes, let's go. So total per month
Per month 340 with the bills.
340 with bills, guys, per month. So it's quite spacious. So you can see. എത്ര പേരുണ്ടോ നിൻ്റെ കൂടെ? Total 4 members. Okay, they are splitting the bills. So it's quite spacious. Good, it's good one. It's a big bedroom, guys, and that too in the cupboard, and had two spacious cupboards. Yeah, that's a good. So there is an advantage of the private accommodation. You have a nice, spacious backyard. So that's the backyard view, guys.
Apple tree.
Oh, peach. Apple tree, peach. Oh.
Pear.
Apple and pear. Oh, that's nice. Oh, scene one scene. Apple is it? It's a rotten one, guys. See. Oh, pole അത് പൊളിച്ചില്ലടാ. ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ആപ്പിൾ പിടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് കണ്ടിട്ടേ ഇല്ല. Oh, okay, that's good. Ripen timing ആയോ അതിന്?
Next month.
Oh, it's good.
September end, October.
Yeah, everything is in good condition, guys.
This football.
അത് പന്നില്ലടാ. I'm not going to use it. No.
എല്ലാം അങ്ങനെയാ.
Oh, shit. It's good. So you have a nice background view. എത്രടാ മാസം per month? 340 with bills. With bills. That's kind of cheap. I'm paying around 490. 490 per week is 109 total. How much is your per week?
70 per week.
70 per week with bills. Per week how much is with bills?
Per month 50.
With bills coming from per month.
70 per week and 50 per month.
Oh, okay, like that. My total bill is included like 109 per month. So university accommodation is a bit expensive. So we can all try the clothes and everything.
Per week, including bills.
Including bills 85 like that. Okay. Mine is 109. You can save at least £100 if you live in the private accommodation, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of cheap. So let's go back. So that's the advantage of the private accommodation over university accommodation. We don't have backyard spaces, and there is only laundry services. The laundry service
It's only room.
Yeah, it's only room. The rooms are not problem. Laundry service is my problem. The laundry service will take like £4 for washing and £2 for drying. It's okay, tata. I'm not washing it. I'm not bathing.
Anyway, you're coming after 3 months, right?
Yeah, I am. I'm looking for accommodation, private accommodation now. So let's hope for the best. I'm looking for one now for the cheap ones. So only the problem is on the laundry problem. So there is no free laundry available in the university accommodation. You have to pay for like £4 for 2 or 3 or clothes and for drying we have to pay extra £2, so that's an additional waste of money. So let's hope for the best. And that's it, guys. That's it for today's vlog. So see you after some times. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. More contents coming.